In this short series, we will be covering PHP Basics. And in this series, we will be covering the following things: syntax basics and variable, simple arrays and associative arrays, operators and comparison statements, and finally we'll be looking at looping constructs. So what are the prerequisites before learning PHP? In order to understand PHP, basic understanding of HTML and CSS is required. You don't have to be a master in this, but if you know what exactly HTML page is, how a bit of styling works, then you are good to go. Now let's see why we should learn PHP. PHP, as we know, is a server-side scripting language, and it has been around since 1997. And from that point onwards, it has grown into a modern tool to building dynamic websites. PHP as of now has many flavors in form of various frameworks, which include some popular ones like Laravel, Y2, Cake PHP, Zend, and CodeIgniter, etc. PHP allows execution of code in line with HTML markup. It allows you to easily and simply read and process files and images. Request and response processing is there with forms, and it's quite easier to scale as well. Now, in the next video, we'll be taking a look at how we can create a simple PHP file. Do note that we'll be making use of Visual Studio Code Editor in order to demonstrate the examples in this series.